Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review Bluehost, its services and features. First, let's just take a good look at what exactly is Bluehost. Bluehost is, of course, a web hosting company with a bunch of services for WordPress, like Website Builder, WordPress Hosting, WordPress Pro, WooCommerce, and as well as different kinds of hostings like shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and VPS hosting. Then there's domain registration. They also have website and stores services, which is like building a website and even an online store. Then they also have professional marketing services, including Blue Sky. The best part about Bluehost is probably their servers, which are very fast and powerful, backed up by PHP 7, HTTP 2, and Nginx caching. With Bluehost, you never have to worry about your website being slow, even when there is a lot of traffic. Their 24/7 expert support is always there to help you when you need it, by phone, email, or live chat. They are rated number one in web hosting for small as well as large businesses. Bluehost offers a wide variety of hosting plans for beginners and for medium to large businesses with 24/7 customer support. Now let's look at Bluehost's plans. To start with Bluehost, you have to select your plan. Currently, there are three plans. The first one is the basic plan, which is normally at a rate of $9.99 per month, but you can get it for $4.95 per month after a discount. The second plan is the Plus plan, which normally comes at $13.99 per month, but you can get it for $7.45 per month after a discount. And lastly, there is the Choice Plus plan, which is normally at $18.99 per month, but you can get it for $7.45 per month after a discount, which is also equal to the Plus plan. Here you can see all the features of each of these plans. Bluehost also has a special GoPro plan. It has all the features of the Choice Plus plan with a high performance server, and you will get dedicated IP, SSL certificate, domain privacy with protection, and site backup. Select your plan and you will be redirected to the sign up page. Here you can continue with your Google account or fill out these details and click on the submit button at the bottom of the page. Once your account is created, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Now let's see what services Bluehost provides. The first one is Website Builder. If you want to create your WordPress website, click on Website Builder under the WordPress tab in the top navigation bar. From beginner to pro, as you can see over here, Bluehost Website Builder lets you enjoy building eye-catching WordPress websites faster and easier than traditional building tools. This has three types of plans. The first one is basic, which is suitable for blogs and personal websites. It is normally at a rate of $10.99 per month, but you can get it at a discount of 73% at $2.95 per month. The second plan is the Pro plan, which is perfect for business websites and online stores, and it normally comes for $14.99 per month, but then after a discount of 33%, you can get it for $9.95 per month. And finally, the last one is the online store plan, which is good for online stores with product shipping. It normally comes at $39.95 per month, but with a discount of 37%, you can get it for $24.95 per month. Click on Compare All Plans to see a comparative view of all the features of each of these plans. The second service that Bluehost provides is WordPress hosting. If you want to host your WordPress website, click on WordPress hosting under the WordPress tab in the top navigation bar. With WordPress hosting on Bluehost, you get resources and tools specifically designed to help you get the most out of your WordPress website. Bluehost WordPress hosting has four plans: Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and Pro. The basic plan, which is ideal for blogs and small sites, normally comes at $9.99 per month, but after a discount of 70%, you can get it for $2.95. The Plus plan is great for small businesses and it normally comes at $14.99, but after a discount of 63%, you can get it for $5.45 per month. Next comes the Choice Plus plan, which is perfect for growing your business. It normally comes at $18.99 per month, but you can get it for $5.45 per month after a discount of 71%. The last one is the Pro plan, which is ideal for high traffic blogs and business websites as well. It comes at 28.99 per month normally, but you can get it for 13.95 per month after a discount of 51%. Click on Compare All Plans to see a comparative view of all the features of each of these plans. The next service Bluehost provides is dedicated hosting. Click on Dedicated Hosting under the Hosting tab in the top navigation bar. And you can see over here there are three plans. The first one is the standard plan, in which you get a whole beautiful server all to yourself, which normally comes at $119.99 per month, but after a discount of 33%, you can get it for $79.99. Then there is the enhanced plan, in which you can get more storage and power. It is normally at a rate of $159.99 per month, but you can get it for $99.99 after a discount of 37%. Last but not the least is the premium plan, which is best for high performance sites with high traffic, and it normally comes at $209.99 per month, but you can get it for $119.99 per month after a discount of 42%. Again, you can scroll down to see and compare the features of all these three plans. The next service on Bluehost is domain registration. Click on the domain tab at the top navigation bar. Your domain helps people find you online and make a first impression, so find one that represents you perfectly. Scroll down in this page to see all the types of domains that Bluehost can provide. To find your domain name, scroll to the top of the page, enter the desired domain name. For example, here we can search for design your artwork or something like that, and select the top level domain or TLD from the drop down menu, and then click on search. Just in a matter of a few seconds, you will get information about your desired domain name. If your domain name is available, you can see it here. You can also choose from these suggested domain names. Once you have selected your domain name, just click on Add to Cart and then proceed. The last service that we are going to see over here is Email with Google Workspace. To know about email services for your website, click on the Email tab in the top navigation bar. Bluehost provides Google Workspace email, by which you can connect, create, and collaborate easily with Google Apps designed for teams of every size. And you can do all this using an email address that matches your domain. This has three plans. The first one is the Business Starter Plan, in which you will get everything that you need for seamless collaboration with a small team. This plan starts at $3 per month per user. The second one is the Business Standard Plan that has all the essential features with large video meetings and extra storage as well. And it starts at $12 per month per user. Finally, we have the Business Plan, which provides maximum storage, security, video capabilities, and more. It starts at $18 per month per user. To compare the features of all these three plans, just scroll down. So that brings this video to an end. We hope it helped you understand Bluehost thoroughly. For our next video, stay tuned and stay subscribed.